try the pan? Let's try the pan. Oh, here's the pan. Pan. I gotta turn around this way so you get the expressions though. Get the pan? What's the pan? How about Rebecca? Rebecca get the pan? Huh? Rebecca get the pan? Pan. 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 Yep, we put the pan up. Let's play peekaboo. Where's your peekaboo blanket? A picture. A picture. A picture. Where's your ball? Ball. You got a ball? Where's your ball, Rebecca? Where's Rebecca's ball? There's Rebecca's ball. Spoon. Stephanie got a spoon? Yeah, Stephanie's got a spoon. Rebecca had a spoon? Yeah, Rebecca has a spoon.
Okay, why don't we go out into the family room?
Okay. Come on, let's go. We'll play peekaboo out there. Let's go. Peekaboo, yeah, you're gonna play peekaboo, aren't you? You coming with me? Come on, let's go out in the other room. That's a girl, Rebecca. Good girl. Yeah. Come on over here with Grandma. You got your blankets? You still got your spoon, haven't you? You better put your spoon down to crawl. You got your ball too? Go get Grandpa. Go bring Grandpa. Are you getting it? Put your head on the pillow. There she goes to sleep. You get the pillow? Yeah, here's your pillow. Come on. We got a pillow for Rebecca. Pillow for Stephanie.
Yeah, they really got their head in the pillows.
Here's your blanket. Here's your blanket. Don't want your blanket.
They could pull one of those off the top